Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr, and today we're going to take a walk through with this Scout 2020 Scout 195 Sportfish. Starting up here in the bow of the boat, nice big area where you can have some seating, use it as a casting platform. You do have an anchor locker up front and a nice recessed cleat, as well as a nice large storage area, lines, fenders, whatever you need to put down in there. Right in front of the console, we do have a Yeti cooler that is removable. Again, you can use that for fish if you wanted to. If you're taking the family out, you can have some drinks and some snacks and everything in there. Continuing back, we'll point out the nice large T-top. This is a great option for this boat. Gives you coverage, also gives you that nice sporty look as you're out on the water. You do also have additional storage underneath the helm, or if you need to put a porta potty or anything like that down there, you can do that. Continuing back to the helm station. All right, nice setup, very easy to sit, very comfortable. You got the tilt steering wheel, so you can adjust that to whatever your height or however you're running the boat that day. This is equipped with a Yamaha 150 XCA, that is the new digital throttle, so it makes that in and out of gear nice and smooth. Also have the Fusion stereo up here at the helm, and your trim tabs. You also have a nice storage area up front here. This is where people are going to put life jackets. It's kind of meshed so that it helps them dry out and stuff like that. Nice use of space here underneath that helm seat. You do have your live well. When you're not using that for bait, you can use that as another storage area as well. Along to the back of the boat here, another seating option, just able to accommodate a few people to enjoy that day out on the water. Again, this is the 2020 Scout 195 Sportfish. My name is Bill, and if you wanted to come see this boat in person, you can visit us at MarineMax in Somers Point or give us a call at 609-926-0600. Thank you.